Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you a closer look at the best solar camping lantern waterproof. The XTAUTO Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern, a true game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preppers, and everyday users alike. Imagine you're out in the wilderness, the sun has just set, and you're setting up camp. You reach for a flashlight, but it's dead. With the XTAUTO lantern, that's a problem of the past. This lantern isn't just about light, it's about reliability, convenience, and performance in any situation. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, you're greeted with a compact, lightweight device, about the size of a smartphone when collapsed. Don't let the size fool you though. Expand it and it becomes a powerful lantern with 360-degree lighting coverage, thanks to 6+1 high-intensity LED chips. Whether you're lighting up a tent or navigating a dark room during a power outage, this little beast throws out an impressive amount of light. It's an all-in-one solution that adjusts to your needs, not the other way around. Whether you're hiking in the rain, stuck in a snowstorm, or handling a summer blackout, this lantern is built to withstand the elements. And with over 25 hours of lighting when fully charged, it's more than ready for overnight adventures or extended outages. The collapsible design makes it super portable. Toss it in your backpack, your glove box, or your emergency kit at home. It even has a sturdy folding handle, making it easy to hang from a tent, a tree branch, or a hook. Hands-free lighting, exactly when and where you need it. But here's where it shines, literally and figuratively, its use cases go far beyond camping. To wrap it up, the XTAUTO Collapsible Solar Camping Lantern isn't just a top pick, it's a must-have. Thoughtfully designed, functionally versatile, and built to endure, it checks all the boxes for quality lighting gear. And that's why it's earned the title of the best solar camping lantern waterproof on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product spotlights. And let us know in the comments how you'd use your XTAUTO lantern. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay prepared and stay lit.